Want to start your own hosting business without paying monthly fees? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Lifetime Reseller Hosting if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for HostingTom. Click on the official website. Nice! Now hover over the hosting menu. Click Lifetime Reseller Hosting. If you're not ready to buy just yet, don't worry. There's also a free trial available so you can test the service before making your decision. Scroll down and you'll find multiple reseller hosting plans. Take a moment to compare the storage, features, and resources. Then choose the plan that best matches your business needs. Once you've decided, click Order Now. Now it's time to connect your domain. You'll see 3 options: register a new domain, transfer your domain, or use an existing domain. For this tutorial, we'll choose I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Enter your domain name, select the correct extension, then click Use. Now let's configure a few additional options. We'll keep the free weekly backup selected because free protection is always a good deal, and your future self will thank you. Next, you'll see the WHMCS license option. If you already have a WHMCS license or don't need one, simply leave it as Not Required. Otherwise, you can choose a license based on the number of active clients you plan to manage. Once you've selected your preferred options, click Continue. You'll now see your order summary. If you have a coupon code, enter it here and click Validate Code. No coupon? That's okay. Your future customers won't know you paid full price. Now click Checkout. Now fill your personal details. Let's fill everything out one by one. Start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because HostingTom will send you a verification email in a few minutes. Now enter your phone number. Easy so far, right? Let's move down to the billing address section. If you have a company, you can enter its name here. Don't have one? No worries. You can simply leave this field blank. Now enter your street address. If you have additional address details, you can add them in street address too, but it's completely optional. Next, type in your city, then choose your state or region. Enter your PIN code and double-check that your country is correct. If you have a GST or tax ID, you can enter it here. If not, just leave it blank and continue. Now we're almost done. In the additional information section, enter your emergency contact number. Next comes the most important part, your account security. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter it again to confirm. Now choose a security question. After selecting the question, simply type in your answer. After filling in your details, choose your preferred payment method, accept the terms and conditions, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Complete Order. Simply scan the QR code using your favorite UPI app or choose any available payment method and complete the payment. After paying, wait for a couple of minutes while HostingTom verifies your transaction. While you're waiting, open your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a few emails from HostingTom. Look for the email verification message and click the verification link. This step is important because it verifies your account and activates your access. Once your email is verified, go back to the payment page, scroll down, and click Back to Client Area. If your hosting doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just refresh the page, click on Home, and you'll see your newly purchased hosting account waiting for you. Click Login to WHM. And that's it! Your Lifetime Reseller Hosting is now successfully purchased and ready to use. From here, you can create cPanel accounts, manage your clients, and start building your own hosting business. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more hosting tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.